Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Pisces, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the fairy tale special pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So that will follow this reading. So let's start with these cards here. We have choices, heart, and man. So with these cards in your situation, guys, Pisces, you have lots of offers or opportunities in your work, or it may be in your personal life too. Maybe people are interested in you. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you see few people you are interested in, or they are interested in you, guys, Pisces. And I also see that you are open to a new relationship, or if you are interested in someone and if you are planning to approach someone, this person is also interested in you, and you can approach this person, guys, and you can propose to them. So they have their heart and mind set on a beautiful relationship, or they want a beautiful relationship. Maybe they see you that way. And also I see that for some of you, uh, in your career, maybe you are seeing some new beginning, maybe something which you love to do, something which you are really passionate about. So that kind of beginning is also coming towards you, guys, a new offer or a new beginning. And you have many choices in your projects, so nothing is good or bad. It is what is based on your intention. So what you want to do, that is what is the guiding factor when you are making these choices, guys, Pisces. So, and I also see that you are a very responsible person, committed, and you want to devote yourself maybe to this relationship, or in your work you have that strong willpower, determination to work hard. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Pisces. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have lilies. So with this card here, guys, maybe this person you are interested in, it may be your twin flame or a soulmate. That may be the reason for this card. So this card stands for that beautiful deep connection you have with this person. Maybe it is filled with love, mutual understanding, caring, respect for each other, and you share a great compatibility, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. So in your career, there are people who are trying to use you for your skills and talents. So they are posing as a friend or a colleague, and they are trying to use you. They are competing with you, quite jealous of you, guys. So if you know who it is, you need to stay away from that person, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards, and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all guys with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through, and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out, or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today, with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So, in your situation, all that grief, troubles, or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear, or whatever stress, or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or had some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness, or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.